I get asked all the time, I want to learn how to invest in real estate. Teach me everything you know. Take this off. So then I, sit there thinking to myself, okay, where do I start, right? There's so much to cover, and this is usually over a coffee or a beer, so I only really have a limited amount of time. So, what do I teach them? Do I teach them the basics? Do I talk about advanced tactics to invest in real estate? To grow a portfolio like I did with now with over 50 units. Do I tell them what not to do or what to do or here's what I would do now? Right? It's like I could just ramble on and on. So it's very hard when someone asks me that vague question or wants to meet for a coffee to learn about investing in real estate. But in the end, if they're really serious, I usually leave them with these 5 ways to learn how they can start investing in real estate. Hey, I'm Soulliere, real estate investing award winner and educator, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the 5 ways that you can start learning how to invest in real estate. So the 5 that I always recommend to people are: 1, attend real estate investing seminars, read books, find a mentor or coach, join real estate investing clubs, and subscribe to newsletters. So let's start with the first one, seminars, which in my mind are gold. First you have your guest speakers, which are, at these events and they're knowledgeable about real estate investing. That alone is very valuable. But when you attend these seminars, you are also surrounded by tons of other like-minded individuals like yourself. Some with tons of real estate investing experience, some looking to learn just like you. Plus, most seminars have these breakout sessions where you can go and learn about specific topics on real estate investing. So I still remember one of the seminars I went to after I'd been investing for almost a year, and a gentleman in one of the breakout sessions was teaching everyone about the investing strategy known as BRRR, which is buy, renovate, rent, and refinance. And I was sitting there thinking to myself, I do that. I didn't even know there was a term for it. So even if you're already invested in real estate, these seminars are still a great way because you can always learn more when it comes to real estate investing. You're never going to know everything. Next thing I recommend to people is just read. Read as much as possible. Just because school is over doesn't mean you stop improving your mind. Reading is one of the best ways to do this, and why not read about something you want to start doing, you're passionate about, which in this case would be investing in real estate if you want to learn how to invest in real estate. A couple of books I'd recommend, and you can click down low in my description to access these to help you learn about investing in real estate, is More Than Cash Flow by Julie Broad, Flip by Rick Villani and Clay Davis, and my favorite and probably the best one to really give you a good all-around understanding of real estate investing is The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller. And if you're watching this 6 months probably to maybe a year after I post this, or maybe sooner, check below in the description for my new book. Possible title is the Family Real Estate Investor: How to make you rich and your kids move out before they're 40. So another way to learn about investing in real estate is find a mentor. I talked about this in my Need Help Invest in Real Estate video earlier, and finding a coach, a mentor, helps you bounce ideas off, talk about issues, picks their brains as they've been down the road you are looking to go down, and they're very helpful when trying to start investing in real estate. Hiring a coach, if you don't want to just have a mentor, it is even better, but at least find a mentor. And on that note of finding a mentor, someone whom has experience investing in real estate, another way to learn is to check out your local investing clubs in your area. Meetups.com is a great source to search to see if there are any. These clubs, these meetups, are a great source of information. They have tons of valuable content about real estate investing at these, and they're a great way to talk with other real estate investors and learn from them. Last but not least, subscribe to real estate investing related e-newsletters. I subscribe to many. Some of my favorites, which have a wealth of information about investing in real estate, are Biggerpockets.com, RockstarInnerCircle.com, and of course my e-newsletter, which you are automatically subscribed to when and if you download my $1 Million Real Estate Investing Blueprint by clicking the link below in the description. So these 5 ways, they're a great way to improve your knowledge about investing in real estate, help you learn about investing in real estate. The more knowledge you can gather, the less fear you will have about investing in real estate, and the more likely you will finally start to invest in real estate. So I hope you found the information I shared with you useful for your real estate investing career. And before I go, I invite you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with a friend, with everyone, and hit the like button. And also every week I have new videos about investing in real estate, so check back next week. Thank you and see you at the next one.